Hi friends, welcome to Mallu Investor channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please read the disclaimer at the beginning of this video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel as well. Today I'm going to talk about TRON chain. It's a concept which is running for almost 3 months, and it's a smart contract based on TRON blockchain, and completely it's a decentralized community fund, I would say. It's kind of I mean, the good news is it's running almost 3 months, and it's 100% decent. It's a community-based project actually, and there's a lot of opportunity still lies with this. Obviously, I joined almost during the launching time, and I've never promoted it as I was busy with other projects. So I thought it has a huge scope, as I've been testing this at least for last 2.5 months. So the concept is very simple. You start with 100 TRX minimum at first, and you can invest maximum 100,000 TRX, which is approximately 200 rupees to 2 lakh rupees what you can invest at the beginning. Once you invest that, you can earn 310% maximum in through this at the first investment. And how it is done? Obviously, using the 4 methods. The first one is 1% daily return. If you're a non-worker, you don't want to do anything, literally you will be getting 1% daily for up to 310 days. That will make you 310%. And second method, if you want to speed up the time, you can actually share this concept to many of your friends, because you get a direct 10% commission, and that's what speed up your earnings up to 310%. And obviously third one is a matching a commission on partners daily 1%. What it means is when you have your direct referrals, and if obviously they'll be earning 1%, and you can earn from there whenever they receive their 1%, you will be eligible for a small percentage from them, depending on what level they are. Up to 15 levels you can earn. That's a great opportunity. And the last method is obviously a daily top sponsor pool, which is there is another fund where 3% of all deposit to TRON chain is divided into this category, and if you are a highest referral, you can earn from that as well. And either way, any one of these 4 methods together, or either one of them, you can earn maximum of 310% in this concept. And it's the greatest opportunity what we have actually. It's a smart contract, and it's a decentralized as well. All right. So how are we going to earn direct commission? Obviously, any direct referrals, what you bring, you're going to earn 10%, like what I said, 300 TRX or whatever the amount. And matching commission is up to 15 levels. The only condition is each level, for you to qualify, you need to have direct that many members. So for example, if you want to earn from 15th level, you need to have 15 direct members. That's the maximum. I mean, you can bring any number of members, but at least if you need to have 15 direct members, you are eligible for all those 15 members, 15 levels, and you can earn a huge matching commission from all of them. Okay, so if you only have 5 direct members, you are going to earn only from 5 levels. All right, so that's a huge opportunity for us, and it will speed up your process of earning 310% of your deposit at your investment. All right. The last one, like what I said, it's a deposit fund, and is actually the top sponsors of from the smart contract. There's this fund every 24 hours they're going to pay the top 4 referral for that day, and they're going to earn from that commission as well. So this is also another great opportunity as well. And so minimum and maximum deposit, it's a minimum is 100 TRX, and maximum is up to 100,000. 1 TRX is approximately 2 rupees. That means you can start off with 200 rupees up to maximum of 2 lakh rupees at the beginning of the first cycle. And second deposit onwards, you have to invest a minimum of what you have invested on the previous cycle, and the maximum up to 300,000, which is approximately 6 lakh rupees. And third deposit, you must be equal to the previous one, and maximum up to 900,000 TRX or 9 lakh TRX, which is about 18 lakh INR. And the fourth deposit deposit onwards, any previous amount, maximum up to 20 lakh, which is about 40 lakh rupees. 20 lakh TRX is 40 lakhs, and you can continue that unlimited cycle, guys. And that's a great opportunity what you have. I mean, if you really plan, and one person, if you can build a team, I think it really depends on how big team you are growing. You can really make a great income on a daily basis, because it's all instant withdrawal anytime, 24 hours, as long as there's a wallet balance, I mean dashboard balance, then you can withdraw that amount. Okay, so that's the plan and how these earnings work, and I hope it was much more clear, and I hope you have understanding on that part. Right, let me show you how you can live account, and this is my live account from the Chrome. I'm using computer, and it's in a Chrome browser, and you need to have like in the Chrome, I use a Tron Link app, which is connected to the smart contract. If you're using phone, you can use a Tron Link as well from App Store. You can download, or you can Play Store. You can download as well. So this is what you will see when you use a sponsors referral link. If you're starting, all you need to do is you need to have that app installed, obviously, and you need to have balance or TRX, and put the amount, and obviously click on join. Let me just show you how the Tron Link, like, this is a Tron link from the web store. You can just go ahead and download if you are using Chrome browser, and make sure it's there. If you are using App Store, this is the Tron wallet actually, and the same thing you can download from the Google Play Store as well. Tron wallet looks this one, and you can also use Token Pocket. These are the different apps. I've done different Tron wallet series itself. You can use some videos on my channel that will make you really useful for you to understand how Excel is done. Now let me show you. I mean, if you get to this page, all you need to do is choose the amount you're going to invest. Minimum is 100, maximum is 100,000 in the first cycle. If you want to invest more, you just click on that button twice or thrice. So I'm going to do 100. Click on join. That's it. But obviously I can't join because this is my live account. You cannot redeposit until you finish the 310%. Okay, but if you join first time, this is how you should do. You wait for some times, and then the amount, it starts 6, everything shows up below that. All right, below your stats it will show up, and all we need to do is check that. I mean, look at the this is smart contract address. You can click on that. You can check the smart contract. You can see the total amount which was in the wallet. It was almost about I think about 117 crore TRX, which is approximately 235 crore, which was in the balance, and almost 700,000 is withdrawn. Sorry, 70, that's about 140 is withdrawn. Now is about 82 crore is the current balance right now, which is a huge amount actually. And there's a daily pool, and all the details are here. I mean, you can just go through that. You can self see that, even if you load using your referral link. Okay, now I started, it's like what I said, this was launched, I started with 1000 TRX. I just wanted to test it. Obviously I was busy with other projects, I did not concentrate here, but today I'm going to promote this and see. I'm going to build a big team. Mine already reinvested again, and 2 times are done, and now almost 3rd time I'll be doing. I only have a direct partner which is about 6. Like what I said, I have not really given my link. Today I'm going to give it. I have about 581 in my team, but I think it's done by my downline. I've not done any effort. It's all done by them. 0 effort until now, but I'm going to do this from now on. Okay, let's work on this together, build this team. I want to build at least 10,000 members in my team. That's my goal, because altogether it's 86,000 so far. I think there's a huge potential. It should be 1 million, I believe. There's a huge potential. There's a lot of opportunity, guys. Okay, let's work on this together. And I'm glad that at least I'm at this point of time I'm promoting this. As you can see, 2 times I've invested 2,000 so far. I've received almost 300% of that. That's like 6,000, and I still have about 200 plus to complete my 2nd cycle, and I can reinvest after that as well. Okay, let me show you how to withdraw this as well. I currently have about 99 TRX as balance. Okay, as you can see there, I only need 260 plus to complete 310%. I just click on withdraw. Before that, let me check the balance as well. My balance is 16702, so coming 99, it should be about 16800 101 or so. So let's give a try. Let's go to withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, let me just confirm it. Okay, I accept that. And once I accept, let me check the transaction, the notification. Yeah, it's okay. The balance should be 0 there. Unwithdrawn income should be 0. Okay, it's 0, and the balance is 801. Yeah, absolutely right. So it has come through. And if you go to receive, yes, there's 99. And yeah, so it looks like all good here. And we have good. Yeah, so that's how it works, guys. I mean, it's very straightforward, easy concept, and hopefully we can sustain it for a very long time. And it's a minimum entry, minimum barrier we have. About 200 rupees is something anyone can afford. If you are a good investor, you can make a huge amount as well. All right, so like what I said, my intention is to build a team. I'm going to launch a promotion today. All right, so that's Malu Investor team building campaign, a TRON chain campaign. All you need to do is below this video description, there is a WhatsApp WhatsApp group link for TRON chain Malu Investor. Join that group. All right, you need to join under Malu Investor's referral link. Once you join with the referral link, you need to use your referral link and bring 10 members under you. And once you complete these two tasks, Malu Investor is going to reward you 150 TRX as a bonus. This is addition to what you will earn from the smart contract. Okay, so please, before you join, you need to confirm the referral link by going into WhatsApp group and contact the admin. All right, and hopefully that's going to, let's work on this. My intention is to bring a lot more members, bring a strong team, guys. Okay, let's do this together. Okay, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. More videos coming, and please share this video to anyone that you think might help. Okay, and I'll see you guys on another video offshore. I'm going to get a lot more videos about this as well. Okay, so that's it, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. All right, take care. Bye bye.